Hi Val, I think the problem was just a little math error. I think you added a couple of things together in your algebra to get that 6, because that's where the problem is. So let's just go through the problem together. The vertex HK is at 1 and -2, and we're going to be using this formula to solve for A. So I'm going to pick a nice easy point to help solve that, and looking at your graph, I'm going to use the point 0 and -4 to plug into this equation to solve for A. So I'm going to replace y with -4. So -4 is equal to A, and x is going to be 0 in this equation. H in your vertex up here is 1, so I'm going to have 0 minus 1 squared, and k is -2, so -2. So this is with your vertex and with your point put in, and I think you actually did that correctly. So if I do my algebra, I'll have -4 is equal to A times 0 minus 1 is -1 squared. -4 is equal to -1 squared is 1, so A -2. So if I add 2 to both sides, I'm going to get A, so -2 is equal to A. And my final equation is going to be y equals -2x minus 1 squared, subtract 2. And where in your equation you had the 6, I think that is what messed you up. And so I think what happened is when you did this part here, I think you added the 2 to the 4, and that's where the 6 came from. And if you actually look at your answer, that 6 is a positive 6. And so just looking at your equation that you got in your answer here, whatever that was, you made the 6 a positive number, and so right away you should have gone, oh yeah, okay, that can't be right because it's a downward facing parabola. So whatever your answer was, that first number had to be a negative. So I think you were doing it all right. I just have a feeling you added the 4 and the 2 in this step to get 6. All right? So I hope that helped. Let me know if it didn't.